The leading psychology organization in Britain has been criticized for encouraging psychologists to call their clients sluts if they request it. The British Psychological Society, BPS, has issued guidelines urging its members to use preferred terms, including reclaimed terms like slut. Members of the public and health professionals have attacked the move as inappropriate and derogatory. Tania Marshall, a psychotherapist from Australia, described the BPS advice as a mess and asked if there was ever a case in which calling your client a slut would be therapeutically beneficial. She said, "Surely we would want to explore where that came from, why they came to that term, why they use it, what it means for them, and any background related to it, rather than just affirming it." The official BPS Twitter account responded to Ms. Marshall by claiming that the word slut had been reclaimed by feminist activists. It said, "The use of preferred terminology is long-established psychological psychotherapeutic practice and is in line with guidance. We only advocate the use of reclaimed terms, for examples, slut where it is the client's preference, as is clearly stated in the guidance." BPS officials have been accused of having lost their minds as a result of the statement. Let me know in the comments, should these organizations use these words if that's what their client wants, or is this a step too far?